Welcome back to Quiz Game. Let's learn the farm animals. Guess this animal. Yes, this is sheep. Guess this animal. Yes, this is rabbit. Guess this animal. Excellent, this is goat. Guess this animal. You are right. This is dog. Guess this animal. Very good. This is cat. Guess this animal. Very good. This is rooster. Guess this animal. Yes, this is pig. Guess this animal. This is fish. Guess this animal. This is hamster. Guess this. This is pigeon. Guess this animal. Good. This is donkey. Guess this animal. You're right. This is horse. Guess this animal. Yes, this is turtle. Guess this animal. You are right. This is camel. Guess this animal. Good. This is monkey. Guess this animal. Good. This is rat. Guess this. Yes, this is honeybee. Guess this. This is goose. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press bell icon.